Okay, Hazel, where are you? We're having such a nice picnic. Mommy made us food, and we're in our North Park Bird Park. Lots of people in Balboa Park. Just chilling. Hazel's eating blueberries. Hazel's newest thing is blueberries. You know how I could tell? Because her poop was blue.
Okay.
Her poop was blue.
Everybody wanted to know that.
Everybody did want to know that. That's the stuff my family wants to know. That's what Carol Isaac wants to know. Are you dancing? Oh, and we gotta show the newest game. Freeze! Freeze! Show me how you freeze. Freeze! Dance.
Yeah, first we have to dance. First we dance, and then we freeze. Freeze.
Okay, she doesn't quite get the game yet, but that's okay. She gets it generally. She gets it generally. Okay, you want to say bye to everybody, Hazel? Bye to all your friends on YouTube? Wave bye, Hazel Bunnies. I'm too busy eating blueberries. Oh, we'll get a wave. Bye, everybody.
Bye.